Asian sessions are the death of many traders. They don't factor in these key important points, and that's why they consistently lose when trading. So in this video, I'll break down how to use the Asian session to your advantage when trading, and the nitty-gritty ways this session can be used to skyrocket your win rate. Enjoy. End of day, we want to make sure that every single time we look for a trade, you can use this confirmation to give you confluence. All right, and this is going to be the Asian high and Asian low. I want to make sure that every single one of you guys here, all right, especially if you're brand new, you just came into premium, you don't understand how to use this strategy and how you can use the Asian high and low to give you confirmations to execute trades, be it whether it wants to stay within the range or it wants to break out. Most of you guys here struggle to understand, right? Some of you guys here may even be looking for buys at this point of time because the market here has given us a very bullish push higher. Would you all agree? Yes or no? You see the market here gave us a super aggressive push. Nick, look, the candle is going super duper aggressively. Huge candles. Should be buy, right? Confirm, right? This is where you need to zoom out. Okay, so when you come to the markets right here, every single day when you look at the charts, this is what you guys here should be doing. All right, for those of you guys here that are beginners, right, I want to go ahead and make sure that you guys here understand how to market out with ease. All right, without me telling you the specific timings and stuff like that. So if you haven't already had this indicator installed based on what I mentioned here during the London session, then go ahead and go to your indicators tab right now. I want each and every single one of you guys here to do this. All right, once you click on this, type ICT kill zones plus pivot points. ICT kill zones plus pivot points. And you will be able to see this right here. Click on this. Once you click on this, you will be able to see this indicator pop up. Now, at this point, go to your settings and change it to this settings right here. Take a screenshot if you need to. I'll give you all 5 seconds and slowly go and adjust it one by one. All right, this is exactly what I'm going to be looking for when it comes to setting up the Asian highs, Asian lows, the session highs, session lows, so on and so forth. Right, every single session there is going to be a high and low, and this will mark it out automatically for you. Can I get a G in the chat once you guys here are done? Okay, beautiful, perfect. Then let's move on. Now, what is the significance of the Asian high and low? Okay, so let's declutter the chart right here. It's very, very clean chart. All you have is the market printing green and red candles right now. Understand that every single day, right? You know that the market here for the forex market right now, 24/5. It is open from Monday to Friday, 24 hours a day. And it usually starts with the Asian session. So when the market here starts, it opens up. The first wave of volume, that's where the banks are open. The Asian session for the Asian banks are going to be open at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, all the way until 12 o'clock is when the market here starts to have the highest volume. So each and every single day, this repeats itself. That's why we have an Asian high and low. From 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock, we will always measure, okay, this is the highest volume. We see the market here going up, going down, creating a range. Then it comes into London session. And what do you normally see? You can look back and see, okay, the Asian session here created a high and a low. This is what we're going to be dealing with. So you mark it up. Let's take today, for example. The market here gave us a push towards the upside during the Asian session. Is that correct? Yes or no? Yes. As you can see, the market here created a push from here all the way to here. So if we mark out from the 8 o'clock to the 12 o'clock, where do we have? Our low right over here. At the 3323.67. Our high, where? Right here. 10 o'clock. You may be asking, Nick, then why don't I just mark out this high right here? Because simply, this is outside of the Asian kill zone when the banks are most active during the Asian session. So you want to mark out the high and low. Now, when we are in a high and low and price action here has not created a break out of it, for example, like this. This was what we was dealing with earlier on during the London session. price action here has not taken out or broken through this level here, and price has not broken through this level here. So let's just mark it out so that it's clear for every single one of you guys here. Asian high. We have the Asian low. As long as the market here stays within the range, I can automatically assume that the market here can do one of two things at either the high or the low. Number one, price can break through the Asian high. The Asian high that has been created from the 8 to the 12 o'clock candle. And at this point, if we break through it on the 1 hour time frame, like this, we see a body candle close. Then would it tell us that the market here is trying to break out of the range that it has created at the very start of the day? Yes or no? Absolutely, yeah. The market here would tell us that there is volume in the market and we want to continue higher. Now, in the case we do not see a break and we see a closure like this, where the candle is wicking, just like this, no closure above the Asian high, then of course, I'm looking for price action here to give us some form of a rejection, or at least where people are looking to sell from. Remember, during the in session here, people are actively trading. Right? Scalpers on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute time frame, whichever time frame that you are trading on. Those that are looking for sells during Asian, they will have the stop loss above the Asian high. Those that are looking for buys in this gold market right here, they will place it below the Asian low. So that's where there are going to be orders sitting at this level here, key areas of liquidity. Stop losses will be set above right here and set below right here. So if the market here wants to move, then it needs to break through it, break through those orders that are sitting right there, and show that it can stay above it. And that's why we need a body candle close above the Asian high to look for price to continue higher for the rest of the day. Same thing for the sells. If the market here gives us a body candle close underneath the Asian low, it tells us that the market here has enough orders to push and clear all those orders and stay underneath, indicating that sellers are in control. Is everybody clear up to this point? If you are, type 1 in the chat. Very good. So as you can see here, the market here has created a push to the upside. As we push towards the upside, we mentioned this live on stream. Once again, the two scenarios. Either we close above the Asian high on the 1 hour time frame, or we wick and we close underneath. And what did price do? Price gave us a wick. Now, if you take a look at the lower time frame, you understand that the 15-minute time frame here has created a low and a high. And if the market here doesn't want to give us a push higher and stay above with a body candle close coming into an hourly candle close right here, as you can see, price action here, if you recall, pushed up very aggressively. And as we touch this area, price gave us a very aggressive rejection. So at this point, just based on the Asian high and low, if we don't have a body candle close, then are we expecting the range to be played? Yes, we can now look to play ping pong. We can look for the market to take out the high and come down lower to test the opposing area of liquidity, which is our Asian low. Once again, a lot of orders set underneath here. And what do you see once again? The market here has attempted to push underneath, and did we get a body candle close underneath the Asian low? Absolutely not. And this is why we can look to play ping pong as long as we don't see Asian high and Asian low body candle closes above or below it. Is everybody crystal clear up to this point? Now, if you turn on the indicator, you can see. You take a look towards the left. Yesterday, what happened? We had the Asian high here. We had the Asian low here. Marked out in blue, yeah? The market here gave us a body candle close outside of the Asian range. And what did the rest of the day do? continued bearish. We got a pullback. It was pretty choppy, but still gave us the continuation sells for the New York session. This is why you need to have body candle closes to tell you that you're breaking out of range. As the name suggests, it's a range. Asian session high and low, you create a range during this specific session. If you want to break out of a consolidation, then you must see volume. All right, so same thing. I can look back another day. What do you see? The market here has created Asian high here, Asian low right here. Did we break through the Asian low, ladies and gentlemen? Did we break through the Asian low? Kente, good answer. We have wicked through it, but there's no body candle close, which doesn't confirm price breaking out of the range. We have the Asian high right here at 8 o'clock, right? 8 to 11. Calculate. 1, 2, 3. 11 o'clock candle, stop. Your high and your low right here. So as long as the market here stays within the Asian high and low, we are going to reach. We do not see body candle closures, we are going to reach. The moment we see body candle closures, then that's when the market here starts to trend. Just like this. Body candle close, retest. Continue higher. Now, can this concept of the Asian high and Asian low body candle closures on the 1 hour time frame be applied to any strategy? Answer is yes. You can use it as a confluence. It doesn't have to be the sole reason to enter a trade, but it can be used as a confluence. You can be using LSCB, you can be using SOL, you can be using TRC, SMC, ICT, retail, support resistance. Sure, go for it. But you can use this as confluence to help you tell you, okay, is the market ready to continue pushing for the rest of the day? Or is the market ready to continue dropping for the rest of the day? All you need is a body candle close to tell you that the market here is going to start to trend in that direction. All right. I see a very interesting question here. Paul Palmer. Nick, why can't you use it alone? Now, if you want to use a body candle close alone, then you need to ask yourself, where will you be placing your stop loss? How would you be looking to take profit? What are the rules surrounding that? Because if you just have a body candle close, and let's say this candle here gives us an insane body candle close above. If you measure this, the moment you see body candle close, you take buys. Even if you waited for a retest, this move towards the upside here is already 70 pips. You execute here, what? Stop loss below the low? Sure, if you want to have a 335 pip stop loss, you can go ahead and execute just with the Asian high and Asian low itself. You can. But you know it. We are here to get in and out of the markets here, take partials, and of course, if the trade runs, it runs in our direction. We scalp the markets. And therefore, you require a strategy to support this. Not just based on, okay, Asian high body candle close, I think buy. Close eyes. Come back tomorrow, make money. No. All right, is everybody clear? Remember, you need to have a strategy supporting this. Can be SOL, can be even order blocks. You want to just use plain order blocks? Sure. All right, let's show you an example right here. You want to take trades of this Asian high, Asian low range. You understand that there's no body candle close, and therefore you cannot look for buys of the Asian high. Simple. What do you do? Just drop down to the 5-minute time frame. What do you learn? What have you learned from the streams? Change of characters. That is your reversal pattern, right? Simple. 5-minute change of character. What do you see? Price has created a push up higher, came down, body candle close. Retest, continue dumping. From this retest right here, all the way down here, that's 100 pips. So do I need a specific strategy, like at this specific timing, I need to see this happen? Not exactly. But you can use the idea of the Asian high and low being respected and give you a reversal pattern to capitalize on a range trade. That's also one of the bases of how SOL strategy was formed, the sweep of liquidity. Understanding the Asian high, Asian low, London high, London low, New York high, New York low. All these areas are going to be key ranges that we can play within or break out of for a continuation trending move. Is everybody clear up to this point? Or if you guys have any questions, let me know. So in summary, what you can do with the Asian high and low, very simple. Every single day, you look at your charts. Mark out the Asian high and low. See what is the market telling you. If the market here has been ranging, you're stepping foot into the London session and you start to see price action here give us a rejection, a strong rejection like how we did here today on the 1 minute time frame. Create a change of character with a body candle close. Look for a reversal pattern. Retest, you can look for continuation sells. If you want to be safe at 5 minute time frame, go for it. You have it as well. That's how we managed to catch the 100 pip move towards the downside. Now, understanding that we have already taken out the Asian high, right? We have wicked it without a body candle close. We have wicked the Asian low as well without a body candle close. Then can I expect price to continue higher? Yes. So if you take a look here, we have taken out the Asian low. Did price create a bullish change of character at this point? Same thing, we are playing off the idea we're playing within the range, the Asian high and the Asian low, because we haven't had a body candle close on the 1 hour time frame above or below it. So yes, we can use a 5 minute change of character with a body candle close or a 1 minute bullish change of character with a body candle close. And did we get that on the 1 minute? If you take a close look, yes. What did price do? Price created lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Now, if you're looking for aggressive entries, then you know you already have a bullish change of character right here, an internal one. And this is where price can give us a retest to look for continuation buys higher. So on this level here, let's just say you executed buys based off the fact that we do not have a body candle close on the Asian session. Execute buys here, like this. Let's mark it out, huh? There we go. Here, stop loss below the 1 minute low. Look for price to target the Asian high once again, or the high that we've created during the London session. Now this bleeds into SOL. Same thing, Asian high and Asian low. We have tested it already. Good. Where is the next area of liquidity to target? The London high right here. So is everybody clear up to this point on how you can use the Asian high and Asian low to frame your day? To tell you the buyers, what is the next session going to do? This is extremely clear. I personally only use the 1 hour time frame to give us that indication. 15 minute, 5 minute, can try experiment it. But the 1 hour here works for me. It's provided me an 89.1% win rate because of this confirmation. All right. So make sure that you guys here are practicing this every single day. If you want, go and backtest it. Take a look at the times where price action here created a body candle close above the Asian high on the 1 hour time frame. Continue pushing bullish for the rest of the day. If price action here closes underneath the Asian low with a body candle close on the 1 hour time frame, we continue bearish for the rest of the day. And what happens if we range? We do not break above or below. Do we stay ping pong? Does the market just continue bouncing up and down? Test it for yourself, ladies and gentlemen. This will help increase your win rate. This will help you give you confidence in the trades that you're going to be taking. Can I get a G from every single one of you guys here? Do the work. Go ahead, backtest it. All right? And this is just one of the lessons here that I will be looking to give, right? I'm going to be planning another lesson, and once we do have it, I'll let you guys here know as well. Beautiful. So now with that being said, I'll be preparing for the New York session. And once I do see the criteria right here and I do see the next entry, I'll be sending it inside Premium once again. All right. Make sure to go ahead, backtest. Most importantly, once you see the criteria here met, execute. So far, this entire week, like I mentioned, 100% win rate, and we are looking to smash it even more. We're not done yet. I'll see you guys later on.